What it up, YouTube? It is me, your favorite Fluff, and I am here with a new video. This video is amazing because, as you have seen from the title, this is another video about the COUGARS. So, yeah, let's see the news, and as you can see, there is like a light shining outside now. You can have. So you guys can know that I did not see it before, so yeah. Okay. We've seen signs of them for weeks, and now the wait is over. COUGARS have come to Jamal. What up, COUGARS? Hurry and become one of these amazing big cats today. Pet geckos. Yeah. Adopt an adorable pet gecko today and take them to the Sarpia Theater to hear everyone's favorite song. Pick up the spring cottage and invite all your buddies over to celebrate springtime in Jamal. Okay, we can do that, yeah. Did you know that 10 members can win diamonds every day, can have 1,000 accessories in their inventories, can have 1,000 dead items in their inventories? They put this on like last time and the time before that and everything, yeah. You asked for it. Oh. Oops. You asked for it. And you got it. Now members can have even more new music in their inventories. Sweet. Okay. Jammers have already unlocked over 4 million treasure chests of this fun adventure. What cool prizes have you found? None yet, sadly. None yet. Read the new mini book in the Chamber of Knowledge to learn all about Jamal's newest animals on the cover. Oh, yeah. Look at those buff cats, though. Have you heard the great news? Cheetahs will soon be speeding back from their travels. They're gone. I thought those are like the snow leopards. Oh. Retail gift card bonus, snow leopard bundle! You only have a few weeks to get your very own snow leopard and exclusive data items for free by redeeming any Animal Jam retail gift card. Visit animaljam.com gift and the school card to see where retail gift cards are available near you. Yeah. Even said it's advertisement. Animal Jam needs money, you know. Cool jeans. And I am extremely late, as you all know, because I'm the favorite Fluff's Love. But as you guys know, stay tuned later because this is a video. Goodbye. See you later.